After creating your Amazon warehousing and distribution shipment, order, or replenishment requests, you'll want to track the status of your requests to ensure your inventory has arrived at its intended destination. There are 2 different pages you can utilize to do this. The first page allows you to track shipments being sent to Amazon distribution centers. From the AWD program page, click the Track Shipments button to access the shipping queue dashboard. The second page allows you to track manual replenishments to fulfillment centers and multi-channel distribution shipments from AWD warehouses. From the AWD program page, click Track Distributions to access the Shipments, Orders, and Replenishments dashboard. Both dashboards allow you to filter through shipments to find exactly what you're looking for. You can see the status of each shipment in the status column of each dashboard. In the top of each page, you will see options for filtering your shipments. You can filter your dashboards by last updated by selecting options from the drop-down menu. You can also find specific shipments on both pages by searching for their shipment ID in the Shipment ID box on the top of the page. You can find more information about tracking your AWD shipments on the Send Shipments to Amazon Warehousing and Distribution (AWD) tracking details. The replenishment from Amazon Warehousing and Distribution (AWD) to FBA Network, and the multi-channel distribution using Amazon Warehousing and Distribution (AWD) help page in Seller Central.